Hello everyone, today I'm going to try fake nails for the first time and I'm going to do it with you all. We will cover the application and removal process together.
Wow.
I've been seeing these all over social media and literally every female content creator is using these, and it looks so funky and personalized that even though I'm not a big fan of fancy nails, I got quite intrigued. But let's be honest, I'm a little scared of the removal process as I don't want to damage the fake nails, nor I want them to be stuck to my nails. But I'm quite excited and curious to add the pop-up colors to my pretty fingers and see if it's a better alternate to the traditional nail polish. And I'm sure there are others like me who'd like to know this or try this out. So for this video, I purchased gel color professional nails by Zenora make collection. I think it's a brand from Dubai, I think. So I got it for 250 Mauritian rupees from Portruis, and there were cheaper ones available there. But I like the color and the size and the shape of this one. Plus, it requires no glue or dry time. Pretty neat choice for starting, like for my first time. Supposed to use it only one time, but I'm going to try it more than once. Fingers crossed they last longer and I don't damage them while taking off or applying. In one kit you have 24 tips, different sizes, and it also comes with a plastic pouch. Inside the plastic pouch we have a wooden stick, a buffer, two pre-application nail prep card, nail prep pad, an instruction manual, like a handy tip with pictures and instructions written there. And you also have some illustrated instructions and helpful tips at the back of the packaging. So let's get started, shall we? The first step is to choose the right size for your nails from the variety available. Once you have found the right size, gently peel off the tape cover that protects the glue. Make sure the side of the tape coming off is facing downwards. Don't throw away the plastic seal that comes with the nails, as you can use it again to protect the glue after use. Next, place the fake nail on your natural nail and press gently and carefully. It's important to note that the fake nail will stick to your natural nail very quickly, so make sure to apply it accurately. Repeat the process for all your nails until you're done. As you can see, I've already put them on and it looks so beautiful. I love it. It was very easy to apply, dried very quickly. I did not have to press it on for too long. I would say it's a little bit uncomfortable and I do not really like the length that much, but you always have the option to file it down to the size you like. It was easy to apply on one hand, but when I had to apply on the other hand with the nails on, it was a bit difficult. So it does make the basic things a bit more challenging. Overall, it's not bad for a first trial. And now we'll come to the more tricky part, which is the removal of these nails. And according to the package, you are supposed to use acetone around the nail and then gently peel it off. But I want to use something more skin friendly, so we're going to do something else before we try that as a last resort. Add a bit of warm to hot water in a bowl, followed by liquid dishwashing detergent and some baby oil. Then soak your fingers in this solution for about 10 to 15 minutes. Try gently lifting them off and they should come off easily. Don't force them off. Surprisingly, that came off really easily and no damage to these nails or the fake ones. However, I'll give one tip. Do not use mildly warm water. Use proper warm water, then it will work. Otherwise, it does not. Just in case it doesn't work this way, there's another technique. Do soak your hand in the water solution first. Then you take the manicure stick, dip it in the nail polish remover, and then slowly slide under your fake nails and it will come off. But if you don't soak it in water solution, it will be more difficult. So I would still recommend the water, detergent and oil solution as part of the removal process. Now, I liked it. I would definitely use it again for my videos. Not for going out though, and not to wear around the house because it's a bit uncomfortable and yeah, I cannot do a lot of things except scratching. But yeah, I will be using both nail polish and these fake nails. Depends on your lifestyle, you can use either. So that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please subscribe if you want similar videos, and I'll see you in my next video.